Sunthara Varadharaja Perumal Temple, located in Uttiramerur town, Kanchipuram district. A Navamurti Sthalam houses 9 different forms of Lord Vishnu. The temple is facing east with a 7-tier Rajagopuram. In this temple, the Perumal is in 3 levels, with 3 postures, as standing, sitting, and reclining pose. This ancient temple has 4 deities each in tier 1 and 2, and 1 deity in tier 3, thus being the only Vaishnavite temple with 9 murtis in a 3-tier structure. Hence, this is referred to be Nava Murti Sthalam. Since there are 5 Varathar depictions here, Sundara Varathar, Vaikuntha Varathar, Achyuta Varathar, Anirudh Varathar and Kalyana Varathar, this is regarded as Pancha Varada Kshetram. Sunthara Varadharaja Perumal Temple, in Uttiramerur is one of the few non-Divya Desam with a 3-tiered structure. On the 3rd tier, we can find Lord Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva inside the sanctum. The only Vaishnavite temple where one can find the Trimurtis inside the sanctum. Shiva is seen here as an idol and not a lingam, which is another unique feature at this temple. The Uttiramerur inscription, found on the walls of the Vaikunda Perumal temple situated near the Sunthara Varadharaja Perumal temple, dates back 1100 years and offers valuable historical insights. Though Uttiramerur has several inscriptions, the most famous one was created under the rule of Chola king, Parantaka I, and details the methods of self-governance in villages. It has been praised by both historians and political leaders as a testament to India's democratic history, as it offers a comprehensive account of the village's self-governance. The inscription also talks about the selection process for members, their qualifications, duties, responsibilities, and even the situations in which they could be dismissed from their positions.